Yeah, man. Up? Yeah, man. Lonesome. Yeah? Alright. Here we up now. On a serious note, yeah? Because with the and we always hear, you know, members of parliament and government and the whole of them say them a fight crime and, you know, them just say, you know, police just come and just say, well, them youth are the most wanted youth and, you know, you get rid of them and then you hear some other man spring up. But on a serious note now, me, personally, I call upon all Jamaican because the other day a report just come out from the US, you know, and from other places too. I tell us that Jamaica well corrupt. From you know, politicians go right back, you know, officials and them thing, they well come up, well corrupt. And when we are called upon right now, same like how them that say, alright, crime stop and, you know, people for tell what them know. Me don't like people for tell what them know upon the youth, them of course. But you for tell what you know upon the MPs, them too, what come from your area. And upon these police who do extra judicial killing. And the one of them people, call up them name, feel free to call up them name. And I see us not. Ongo way we can get rid of crime and violence. If we just say, alright, just call a spear. So some MP, like come I look on the 63 of them, pan my list right here, so now. I look on the 63 and I call out them name. And you have some people now with shady characters. If them have shady characters, people for say it. You have people around them, you know, with them use, you know. But no, because people are watching the vote and what them can get. Yeah? And then them turn around and then them same man said police to come kill you half. I want to understand these things. Make us clean up Jamaica. Get serious and clean up Jamaica. You understand? Because enough of them MP are there, enough of them the fit figure now, you know. Serious start me a make, you know. You understand? And no joke me a make. You understand? And no joke nothing. You see me I say, so but enough people afraid for talk and like, you know, no, the MP, them are God. We don't worship mankind, man. And we don't worship none of them, man. We burn them out, man. And people who know say them corrupted, if we just come and say, yo, the MP they corrupted, because him give a gun and him do this. The youth, only can't afford for just mass out the common, so much I want to do that. Only can't go like when I eat that, so man. You see me I say? Can't go and so. I could just call up some name. See? Alright. People who know them know. See? Just half of my thing what we know, we just attack. See? And know so, cause we know some serious thing too, you know, we just easy, but at times for people come and talk out too. You understand? Alright. Central Clarendon, Mike Henry. Well, me don't know nothing about Mike Henry. So, you know, me know say, well, him not the politics long time and do for him the cutting and them thing. The same? So me is a man, we not talk bogus, you know, and nothing. But you have people where in them area, if you know anything about Mike Henry, anything where him do. Come talk. Feel free to talk. You understand? Make us clean up a country. Once and done for all. Orius Dolly. We don't know nothing about you neither. You see me I say? So, yeah, but who know about them people here? You know, once again, me not talk. A man want to come say something because him political motivated. So he might come and say, yes, the man, the brr. Me talk real facts. You around the man. You around the, you know, business. If you even vote FEMA, you do what and what. You come and you say, yeah, he might help mash up the country. You see me I say? Alright. Richard Hazard. We don't know about him neither. See? So we just allow some people, but you have people around them, they know what they might do. Whether if a money laundry, whether if a drugs, whether if a this, whether if a want to come talk same way. You understand? Make us clean up Jamaica. See you something now. Rudyard Spencer. We don't have nothing for you neither. You see me I say? So you see, we just go down. But anybody who we have think pan or we know think pan over the years, we are going to just come and we are going to chat and call them name right now. Right? Noel Ascot. We don't have nothing for you neither. You understand? So, we want to know people in your area. We know who not go on with, and how much youth you not work with, how much youth I work with, you know, and what not do. And then for just come call and us. You understand? But forget we don't know. We can't in the parliament. Who corrupted? We forget we don't. Dave Omar, where him name. We don't know nothing about him. From Hanover. Ian Eels. We don't have a palm scope neither. Yeah? Reverend Ronnie Tweet, you know, the on the scope. Philip Palwell, yeah, you know, the power scope, you know. But when we start, you know, do things so in the era more better and thing. But who know about them man if them in the mix up, when we call them name. And talk what them a do. Call them a do, use you know, then them send police come kill you out because them don't want to talk. You see me I say? Desmond Mackenzie, well, maybe just stick a pin on Desmond Mackenzie, no. Because him in a yard nose. And on a serious note, 2010, when the Tivoli encouraged and when you look at film never them a fire one bag of shot and all kind of your nephew. You shouldn't even be MP. Me the man me chat straight. You should not be a MP, none at all. Because on one hand, you can answer, you come and say, okay, I'm a nephew, I do them thing here, right? My nephew I do certain things. But yesterday you are MP, your nephew, your brother, your sister pick them. And if you have family members that do much kind of little things, me can't trust you because you can't use them to come get rid of me too. You understand? You're not supposed to be an MP. None at all. No whatsoever. We no business. You see me I say? Because you indulge in a lot of corruption. You understand? And the police, when I see the police come investigate, I do nothing at all. And these are things what me I talk about. You understand? So you're one of them, you feel out. Yeah? Peter Bunting. We don't know nothing about you neither. See? So, but people in the area who know about these people, we feel just start draw upon them same way. Like what them say about crime stop, we could talk how we know. We feel start talk how we know. You understand? Hardly sure. Well, we don't know nothing about you. Hardly, you're good. But now, only one thing though. Corruption or corruption. You see that phone bill business there? And the money they want to sit on. Because I found the different from mixing up with the youth, them and killing and all kind of things. Who know swingle money from the government purse. I use politicians, I use the taxpayers' money and do all kind of things, you know. You understand? The 8 million that's where you say you can pay back and do all kind of things and plus other money and money. Be careful of yourself. You see me I say? So you have nothing for your answer to. When you touch that. But otherwise, in a gun running and no, we not you know them kind of thing there, yeah? Michael Philip, we not have nothing for you neither. See? Yeah? But as me tell you now again, people in the area want to chat. Wanna know. You see me I say? Yeah, Michael Stewart, we don't know him neither. Yeah? Linval Bloomfield. Neither. See? Darrell Vaz. A corruption this to the bone. Darrell Vaz. Eh? What we say I make a bag of nice. Now, we know daylight saving time it stop. You need to clear up that too, you know. We not talk no more talk, you know. That's how you have dual citizenship. See, so we're not afraid for talk. You understand? You not supposed to, boy, you're MP or nothing neither. Me a chat straight. You understand? And people are making sure he might have come and say my hand out. Remember, I want the money for the buy a bonnet tax. You understand? They make them chicken no. When them corrupted. Them not supposed to be no MP if you look through them background. Him share the bad. Double falls. Him share the bad. Yeah? So we are go to Peter Philip. We don't know nothing about you neither. Different from the middle finger. Well, any man can use them finger do what. Then, we just attack straight. You understand? Alright. Juliet Olis. We don't know nothing about you neither. See me I say? You just turn MP or what have you. So we don't know nothing about you. You understand? Alright. Yeah? Fairval Williams. Well, it's a nice lady that. See? So we don't know nothing about her. We know you're in a mix up in a businesswoman and what have you. So, you know, the woman them more, you know. Casa Muda, shady. And we're not afraid for talk. You see me I say? So, we know, yeah. So who know about them people have to come talk because you might like, you know, you run a places like you're the damn for your place. Them people are supposed to see in a house. And people know that. You understand? And we not business. But that can't no man boy your daddy and them thing. They can't even say man are pushing out. And that one have to notice. You understand? Delroy Chuck. We don't know nothing about you neither. Derek Smith was a nice man. Him good. You understand? You never hear him none mix up. I tell you before. I tell you again. Who know about them people here? I have them involved in anything when you come talk about them. Me not talk about the next side. You want to come say something because, you know, it suits you. Politically. No, me I talk about people I move with you. I move with them MP here. And them I say, yeah, we are going to some money. Get rid of them people here. Come do this and do that. You see me I say? Yeah. Julian Robinson, we don't know nothing about you neither. You see me I say? No. You understand? Portia Simpson, she gone, she leave already. You understand? Different from them I talk about, me don't know about now. You understand? So, good. Omar Davis, well, you did leave and gone at some funeral where we never like. You know? And certain things we not like. So we just burn out some things. You understand? Omar Davis. You see me I say? You're gone. So it all good, because you're gone. But you understand? So enough of them for just get up and just go leave. You understand? Anything we share, we not like. Andrew Holness. Alright. Yeah, we don't know. Yeah, only thing we know about you, we not like, when you use them and go, you know, you circumvent some things, and we don't know that 300 million they go how much money, and now, and then you come on platform and say, poor man fear big house. That's why you see enough of the youth them do scamming, because you indulge them. We chat straight. Because you say, man fear this and want this. When you face the fact, you have to look at youth and you give them, you move up in company and them name, and then the company a build big house, Palm Beverly's and them thing. They will not like that. People for all of our counter. You know, accountability is a great thing. You understand? If you have to clean up corruption, so you can't come and say you're a leader when you're lean for the next hand. You understand? Spirit is a spirit. You see me I say? So that's how we call it, and we are chat it straight as is. So that is a extreme. You understand? Otherwise we not hear about you about no gun runnings and nothing like that, and you know, but that's all it's shady. That's very shady. You understand? For a leader, that's very shady. Juliet, Cuthbert, Flynn, no, well, she just one on them thing, but she not no manners than them thing. We know such another manners than us, while we not just hold some money and do something. You have to do your performance, because you're up on the level we have a place. So we know how you are perform and who you turn your back against and them thing. You have to do your work. You understand? But you know, the mix up otherwise, that good. You see me I say? Anthony Hilton. We don't know nothing about you neither. You see me I say? Shane Robinson. Good too. You see me I say? Yeah. Dayton Campbell, Dr. Dayton Campbell. Alright, him good. You see me I say? Lisa. Shane. Alright. More than them I tell her how she dressed. Well, she was a Miss World or something, so I'm not busy about the part there. We are talking about people and corruption now. You understand? Alright. Xavier Main, we don't know nothing about him. Olivia Babsy Grange. My God. You're not supposed to see in the house neither. Because there is no way me, I go drive and Mike I get shoot up and he say, gunman dead side of me. And then, me open a number 5 cemetery for go bury. And then me go turn MP, and me army a MP, and it's okay. And the police investigate me. Or me have a car where you say, it registered on my name. And police every time say about man they deny it, but them man them did want it and what have you. And I'm my car. Them are come for me. But not all. You involved in a too much thing Grange from over the years. No. From the 70s, from the you come right up. You understand? So you shouldn't you should just resign and go on about your business, because you corrupted bad. I mean, I know who fit to tell you that. You understand? You corrupted bad. You can't put on no face. You're not better than the gunman them who kill people. You understand? So me just start straight. Saying, yeah man. Alan the Terrelang, we don't know nothing about him. You see me I say? We know him, you know. We know him. Because he did up a Patrick Bailey office. Because we know Patrick Bailey too. You see me I say? Liar. So we know him. But we don't know nothing about him. Otherwise, yeah? Dennis Daly, we don't know nothing about you neither. Dennis just said the thing the other day about we don't want a green man. No, wrong move and wrong chatting that. We burn them chatting there. Because you have to try to put people together more than, you know use them chat, use certain things where you divide people on your platform. That's wrong. You understand? It's wrong. So we have to burn out that Dennis. But we don't know, anybody who know them people are in no corruption, we don't come talk. We don't want MP and not want to move good with them, I want to know so them corrupted. Come chat about them. Natalie Nita Edley. We don't know nothing about she neither. Leslie Campbell, neither. Robert Pickarsgill, neither. Andrew Wheatley. No, you're good. You understand? But although I tell you now run some little different from now mix up in a certain little things. They have white collar crime. I never call it white collar crime. Where enough money are mixed and enough things are going on some contract where we only feel well accountable for you know. You understand? Because what if you just go right across the road and just call Jamaica and clean up Jamaica. You see me I say? Alright. Leslie Campbell, Robert Pickarsgill, Andrew Wheatley, Colin Fagan, we don't know not boy, Evan Warmington. I'm going to think with that man here in Fiesty. You know, no manners. But Warmington, you're good. But you know, certain mix up, you know, hear me now. But him just go on with some bag of antics in there, so when he start behave himself. But Warmy, alright. You see me, I say, Fitz Jackson, we don't know not boy and either, okay? You know, you're alright. So we just pick out some people from them not give them no trouble. We know say them alright and them alright, we just say them alright, you know. You see me, I say, we can finish up the list. We can finish up the list. What we do now? Warmington, Fitz Jackson, Christopher Tufton. Well, do go on them business, you know, we never hear your name mix up in them thing there. Although me say anybody, them MP, when the MP where una go to them because them are use, you know, and them send on police pound for one killing out. When them want to vote, them use, you know, because una them strong and forget vote. Well, Christopher Tufton, we're Bex what Carroll Regional Hospital because from last year, I'm going to stop telling lie to you know. From last year, you can't put doctor and nurse and patient. And I tell me, say, oh, the 1,800 surgery, it's safe, 800. I know most of the surgeon, everybody life are safe of a surgeon, number one. And number two, if you know, say the place I kill out people and you get a report from last year, you should just try and make it better and move. You understand? So not try hold on people and then try shade off the thing. You understand? No one put nobody life. You have a job to do. You're a servant of the people, serve the people, them and don't bother like my stands and go around the doctor and then say, oh, we did see this, but what and cover up none. We know none of that. You understand? So you for move for your post. You understand? Evan Redman, we don't know nothing about you, you know. Yeah? Hutchinson, we know you said something the other day about, you know, like, you know, use a political talking, like, figure out some seed and them things. But that's wrong again. Same like daily. That's wrong. Don't do these things. You understand? Don't do these things to get no vote and them things and don't divide up Jamaican people against each other. And don't forget wise up to, you know. When a big man and one vote, you know. Don't make them go in our head, you know. Me born politician, you know. Straight, you know. Yeah. You understand? Alright. Franklin Witter. Alright. We don't know nothing about him. Saying, Fly Green. Cool. Yeah. Eric Clark. Cool. Edmund Bartlett. Well, them man, they just smile and just go on to them look at tourism thing and them thing there, you know. But they just fly all over the world and just say, but. Let me tell you this. You have to start bat for the normal farmers them. Because if you are dealing with tourism, remember, you know, every hotel, them have to use food and our ground provision and the base ground provision for them use. So we shouldn't have no glut. You understand? You should have make it your point of duty if you know, say, hey, if them plant potato and yam and this and that, only for use them. People come to Jamaica for eat Jamaica food, not some imported sitting. You understand? That means more work can created and the thing better. You understand? We can give some nice advice. But we not otherwise we don't know about the mix up with you. You know? Always chum. We hear some little things. Down in a mobile, if I you down in a mobile. So, you know, who know? If just come chat, because we not just jump the gun, because we not down in a mobile. But who know if you just come chat, your kind of style and what have you, because you turn security minister now. So them, you see me I say, Jane, David Kelly, we don't know nothing about you. Marlin Fort. You're supposed to be now about no attorney general or what. You are crisis. You definitely are crisis. You see me I say? And you certain things to your benefit, because you was all judge. So you just come in and feel, say, okay, after I say enough, look at you, same you, them go to prison and them thing, them say them around. Number one, if I'm alone, I vote for you. I may tell you the truth. You understand? Because I'm going to poor man pick them. You know, it's enough man if you go to jail, them not going to prison and nothing at all, you know. You understand? But the poor man pick them always can go to jail and do all kind of little thing. That's why Jamaica runs so. You understand? Use a no. Yeah? Maurice Guy, we don't know nothing about you. Winston Green, you dead. Robert Picard's oh God, man. He just make enough mistake on film thing all the time. You understand? Him just chat. See him? Overlook him. Fenton Ferguson, overlook you too. See him? Yeah? James Robertson. Dangerous quote. You see me I say? And who know them know? And when a business who want vex because you can't have MPs are going like them a Dan Mafia and Dan Boss and do all kind of things. And some man afraid to talk, although, and police know, because James Robinson was the same one who go a station got take away man with them say but police were and were wanted man out of police and you know. And police not lock him up, you know. And even you're not supposed to in the house neither, you know. Cause you full, let me tell you something where you don't know. My father born out of St. Thomas. So me have no family at St. Thomas. So if you even sneeze, me know we're going to St. Thomas. And we know we have a track record. You understand? You're not supposed to in the house. So you know why we chat. And your colleagues them know too, you know. And enough more people know, you know. On both sides. You're not supposed to in the house. So we just chat straight. You understand? James Robertson. You too evil in the house, yeah? So we are chat straight. You understand? Yeah? Victor Wright, we don't know you. Yeah? Philbert, we don't know you neither. Doing Vaz, Luther Buchanan, yeah? Wickham McNeil, yeah? So, you know, so we just run through the whole of them. And let me tell you about Acme too. You see, same like how you see Current Spencer now, come out with the light bulb and him do so boom boom and boy, you look him get a quittal and him should have go to prison. Him should have go to prison, him should have know better. So me no business, me just burn who for burn. You understand? So him for their prison. No, because from a politician, just let him off and then make him go on about him business and then everything cool. Him should have their prison too. You understand? When them do things, we for hold them accountable. It can't be just the little man you hold accountable. You understand? Even the little shooting we just won yesterday. When them have them come up with them big thing and I say, yeah, where because we can't play it back, you know, yeah, where the security minister that I chuck. When name Cham. Yeah? Where I said the police them depend on the youth a trail for all long. And I shoot out for 3 hours and them stand off. 3 hours with 2 guns. Come on, yeah, rampant with intelligence now. Because even if the police get shot, them that must get shot if they surrounded the house like this. Me don't know which part of man I stand up with 2 little gun and ambush shot because up to the bed. See them there? Up to the bed and everything shut up. The wall, them, everything. And if police them circle it, shot or ricochet. Them they get shot. Yeah, blue and blue friendly fire. You understand? And this are the youth. See? But when we see this, how the place shoot up, can you say if criminal, can you the most wanted man, if you are a fugitive or criminal, anybody in the house, them that gone, but they never say youth in the day, you say them not a part-time gang, or you know that. That means you're youth them. You know what you do. You understand? So something wrong there. And this, you can't say him get a shot to, by the way. Him not shut up. You understand? I mean, no see no gun, me no see no bag no special where him that fire film gun where you say, see the place, ramp sack and search there. And me no see no bag no special because if him have 2 handgun and could have well have police, me no know him could have well have police by every window, him could have there every window with just 2 gun. Them a say them a look for rifle. Don't want the rifle from the circle of the building or rifle that leave out of the house. I'll be a rifle here a bus. You understand? And then you don't come with this kind of thing for frightened because you don't want to keep the state of emergency. This execution style that a headshot, yeah? So it's bad in a mash up there. You see it? You understand? Remember what, hey, let me tell you this. We do investigation more than only, you know. See there, every window shoot out. See when we look on it like this, see there? Every window, see shot there, shot the ricochet and lick all them own self. Cause every bed, see if you drive it up closer, you see the whole place, them shoot up the whole place. The whole house and shoot up. Yeah? Maybe the youth them up on top floor and them not get shot. But see it and them go in, them gain entry, and them go in, and when you look on it, see there, the whole place shoot out. This is him in the car, you see? See that them throw him out now, what have you? And them say 3 hours. Let me talk back to the camera. All this with them do, you know, through the state of emergency in around the next 2 days. And you want to keep, you can't use state of emergency just fight one, but you have to work with the citizens of Jamaica. State of emergency, if Babsy Granger and Pernell Charles, them and them, all them should have retired a long time. I said, boy, them did under state of emergency in 1976. Yeah? They were under state of emergency. I think before that, saying, and them did the all park camp for like 6 months. You anger the youth, them kind of weird, you know, where, you know, you just take them up and say, right, and them 4 days. You know, some of them have some young youth and some manager, them they could chicken and do them they could thing, and I say, alright, no, because other people, you understand? But me I say, them thing ya, fe stop. We if you come out, you see same like how we have the woman there, paralleling. She She forget charge long time and think she will come up, you know. When people, certain people forget charge and think she not charge them, you know. You just go out for the liquor man, man. I don't know if the youth them now have no sense. For just realize that crime pays on go for them. We use them. When the politics them send car come give you, then give you this, them give you that. And then them turn around and kill you and use you for scapegoat. But big shootout. That's not a big shootout. On the circle the house and shoot on one another. Friend a blue fire that. When they capture him, yeah, and a headshot that. So when they stand up a window with so much rifle bullet a fly through a window. And a window they sing there. You can't see we run him when Ramshack cleat and him lie down dead. That mean him dead and una knock him. Una hold him, una go in there, una knock him. And then una pull off this thing about 3 hours with a gunfire yesterday come out with 2 guns. Which part him there? You just see around the full of spent shell. Can you imagine him a load up back field magazine, under load up field magazine and I will have soldier and police and me yes I want 2 helicopter land there and all kind of things. Stop take people for that man. When they stop push people intelligence, man, I go like people are idiot and dunce, man. Stop it, man. And me I tell you, youth, a time for it, from MP go right back the big man. Them say like I want to say, crime stop. Who talk, who know, who no gun, who do this, who do this. You understand? I could draw them out. Police involved to call for them a sniper, draw them out. Call up them name too. Not push them name on this to man. I see you something, man. No joke, nothing, man. You understand? I could just clean up Jamaica once and for all. Yeah? Because when them do, them just come up with just kill the next youth like a skateboard thing and just use it for this track where I go on. You understand? And say, yeah, put them on that see how much people are suffer. They must say, yeah, man, the people them want to, of course, people can have skateboard. You understand? But Uno are the main cause. The politician and the big boy them and enough of the police them. Who are criminal, where them a sniper to, who are kind of kill people to. Saying, them forget to read it. That's why you see United States the other day put out a report and I want everybody read it, you know. I tell you, say them corrupted. From government go right back. You understand? It's a very corrupted country. You understand? I don't go where we can get rid of crime and violence. You can't just push out over the years you to know are dead. When you video them, the man, when them come to know with them but a crap and thing, video them and push them out. But on a serious note now, man. You understand? And stop killing one another, man, like when I eat that. You understand? You think me could have helped me, say me still live in a ghetto or whatever. You think any of them could have come and tell me, loan, so yeah, man. See something, I go kill a man down, and me and a man have nothing. Me for go kill man for uno. Eh? No, man. Me a boss, you know, man. You understand? Every phone now have a little camera and thing. Me a boss, you know. You understand? Too much evilness I go on in Jamaica now time for it stop. Young people forget real and stop. Take a political side. You see me I say? Stop do that because it don't make no sense. You understand? It don't make no sense. So right now, I just burn them out straight. And people who know who, nobody take out like a political fence. For you know, say, okay, we never vote for them and they say, well, I call up him name. No, we attack people, yeah, move with them and them are use, you know. Even if, you make somebody start, yeah, that man they involved in this. And a man they involved in this. The police here, yeah, and who's police involved? And who's a big man and who has spent the money? Me could just clean up the whole thing and done. If some of them don't go to prison, Jamaica can't clean. Because them are just continue using people, youth, and push out who them are push out and who are dead. Look how much youth dead. Much of them you see in a prison. Look how much youth end up in prison. How much of the politicians them go to prison. All when they wrong them now go to prison. You understand? And paralleling you for move too. You understand? Because the whole of them corrupted. Boy, I just want some big country just start taking out to man. And lock on down because you think enough of them push on the drugs and enough of them politicians, enough of them involved in enough things, you know. And use the youth them and then push them out, you know. You understand? But through the youth them, you know, that's why it name divided and rule. And you know, so enough of the youth them know, you know, them can't read or write, or they are, even if them can't read or write, them have a job and them have certain things. So, you know, they may say, alright, make we go do this, you know, because our boss, this. Boss, right? No politician can be my boss. Taxpayers money cannot pay a guy and be my boss. You mad? You're a servant for the people, them man. I go on for go to man. You understand now, youth? Jamaica get wise up. Make we get rid of the crime monster once and for all. Our clean from top come right down. Serious talk, yeah? Lonesome, me there, yeah? Me out. Knockings.